Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I got this fall makeup look. It was pretty easy and simple to do. I used three different palettes. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So let's get started. The first color I'm going in is Morocco from the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia. I'm really focusing this color on my outer V. I'm really packing it on and also sweeping it into my crease. And since the color isn't what I want it to be, I decided to go in with this color here from the Morphe 35B palette. Once that's done, I just go ahead and cut my crease. And I like to pat my concealer because I don't like it to be too sticky. And then I go in and apply the color Madagascar from the Nubian 2 palette. I go back in with Morocco to make sure I blow it out into Madagascar just so that the colors can flow better. Then I go in with the color Obsessed from the Jaclynhill Morphe palette. And I also go back and forth with Morocco to make sure those two colors blend well together. I apply my liner from e.l.f. and some lashes. To my lower lash line, I go ahead and apply Morocco, and I apply some mascara, and that's it. Really easy and simple to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.